What's up guys, welcome to the new vlog. Ray here, excited to bring to you another video guys. I know it's been a while, but guess what, we are back again with another video. I'm so excited to share with you this cause. This is big guys, this is big, very big. And yeah, it's an unboxing video as you just have read. I'm gonna really quickly just open up this box because I can't really wait. These shoes came out yesterday and thank God for Adidas. They are in today already. So it took them literally one day to deliver them. And I'm so excited to show you these guys. But before we do that, you already know, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much guys. You already know. All right, let's get into the video. So I got this box today from Adidas, and I'm just gonna quickly open it up. And yeah, there we go. It's the Yeezy Boost. Let's quickly put that on the side. So it's the Yeezy Boost 700s. Quick backstory. So when these ones first came out, I think a few years back, I was lining up on the internet, on the app, to get them, but I couldn't get them. They released, I think, when did they release again? I think 2 years back, and I didn't get them again. They released again for the, I think, third time, and I couldn't get them from the Adidas app. Confirmed app. Well, I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and buy a resale price, but I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna wait a little bit. And I was lucky when they released this yesterday. Oh my god, I was lucky to get them. This is crazy. So I've been waiting for these ones for the last, let's say, 3 to 4 years, 5 years. It's been a while. It feels like 10 years really. These ones have been on my wish list for the longest. All right, let's go ahead and open them up. There we go guys, the Wave Runners. Oh my god guys, you don't know how much I've been waiting for these ones. It's been a big wait, and luckily I'm finally getting them. They are here to stay. The Yeezy Wave Runner 700s. Oh my god, oh my days. This is one of my favorite Yeezys, to be honest. I got some few colorways. I got the Sun 700s, I got the blue ones, but these ones guys, these ones took them all. This is, oh my god. All right, the Wave Runners, that's one. Let me show you the other one. This is the other one guys. I'm just gonna take it all in guys. They are finally here. I can finally enjoy them. Yeah, and I got these ones in my size, the blue ones. I don't know if this one's gonna fit. I think they're gonna fit true to size. So I got size 10.5, and this is a size 10.5. Finally in my collection. Oh my days. Excited. Happy, really happy for this one. Alright guys, just a quick unboxing of the Yeezy 700 Wave Runners. What do you guys think? Comment down below. You got them in your collection? Would you buy these ones again? And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget, be kind to one another. Peace.